I have some new measuring equipment in the workshop, a KORAD KEL103 programmable electronic load. Let's see how it works while testing a 18650 battery. And this is the 18650 I'm going to use for the test, a Samsung INR 18650 32E. Look at the warning, fire hazard, not for vape, never install, carry or handle. So these batteries must be extremely dangerous, why else this warning? Sounds promising. Let's start with looking at the spec sheet of the battery. When you scroll down in the document, you'll find on page 2 the nominal specifications. And at 3.6 we see a charging current, which is for the standard charge time 960 milliamps. Charge time of 5 hours. Okay, let's start charging the battery first. Let me turn on the power supply. And adjust the output voltage to 4.2 volts. And the maximum loading current set to 960 milliamps. Connect the battery to the power supply and start loading. Now the battery is fully loaded, we are going to discharge it again using the standard discharge capacity test from the spec sheets on page 4. Discharge current 640 milliamps and a 2.5 volt cutoff voltage. We put this data in the electronic load. I enter the discharging current of 640 milliamps. I enter the cutoff voltage of 2.5 volts. The discharge capacity 3.2 amps hour. And a discharge time of 18,000 seconds. Okay, with all the data entered, let's start the test. It will take about 5 hours, so I'll be back. The test has finished and the electronic load shuts down at the cutoff voltage. The measured capacity is 3.024 amp per hour, which is at 94.5% of the max capacity of this battery. I'm going to load the battery again. I am going to charge the battery again and we discharge it with the maximum load of 6.4 amps. The battery is loaded again and now I will discharge it at a maximum load of 6.4 amps. Let's see how this battery is behaving. Now I'm going to use the continuous current mode of the electronic load. And at 1.3 volts the protection circuit on the battery shuts the battery down to prevent over discharging. Well, what can I say after this test? My electronic load works fine and is a real added value to my workshop. About the small 18650 battery, the warning on the side is not for nothing. I got more than 92 degrees centigrade on the battery, and that was a single cell, not a package where more cells are enclosed. So if you are using these little buggers, be careful that you are using it in the right way, even within the specs. Okay, that was it for now. See you next time.